What's going on, Sneaker Huddle gang? Welcome back to another episode of Sneaker Huddle. I'm your host, JR Dunlap, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the upcoming beautiful collaboration between KITH, Converse, and Coca-Cola. But before we get into today's video, I am going to be doing a giveaway for the entire month of August. All you have to do in order to have a chance to win some free Rejuvenator product is 1, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, 2, follow me on Instagram at JR Dunlap, and 3, just comment anything that you want down below in the comments. And if you can't wait until the giveaway, you can always use the code SNEAKERHUDDLE for a Rejuvenator discount, which I will link down below in the video description. And with that out of the way, guys, let's get straight into these sneakers. In the KITH Coca-Cola 2019 collection, we will receive a return of the classic Coca-Cola Converse Chuck Taylor 70. Now, the colorway that we will receive in 2019 was initially issued as a friends and family pair in 2017. The beautiful vintage washed blue denim model is now being offered to the public for the first time ever. Details on this classic and modern silhouette include Coca-Cola embroidery on the lateral part of the outsole of the shoe, co-branded insole, and a removable KITH branded patch. Now, the official worldwide release for these sneakers, they will launch on Friday, August 9th at all KITH shops around the globe, and they will also drop after those release in store at 11 a.m. Eastern time on kith.com. Now, if you're like myself and you really love this classic silhouette and you really want to get your hands on a pair of these, you are definitely going to want to scroll down to the description below. There is a link there to our Twitter account, which is at Sneaker Huddle. You're definitely 100% going to want to follow us on Twitter for all sneaker updates. Now, you might not really love these sneakers and you are just a reseller and you just want to flip this sneaker so you can get the cash to buy something else. That is entirely fine. We're going to do an estimated resale prediction for these sneakers right now. Now, here on the KITH Coca-Cola collection, as you can see, we have all the items that did release. Some of these released last year, and these are the hoodies here, the color block hoodies, Coca-Cola KITH, that we did receive previously this week. Now, the item that we're specifically going to be talking about today is right here. It does not have an image on StockX at the moment. Is the Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star 70s High KITH Coca-Cola Denim. Like mentioned previously, this was initially a friends and family Converse that released last year when they initially released this Coca-Cola collection. Now, we're finally going to receive this sneaker and it's going to release to the public for the first time ever. Now, if we do go to view all sizes, we click on all, we do view all sales. As you can see, the only 2 sales that have ever happened were on August the 6th. Was for a size 8 and a 9.5 for $389 for an 8 and a 9.5 for $420. Retail for this sneaker is going to be $150 US. So total cost of the shoe will roughly be around $160, including taxes, and I would assume that you do have free shipping on this item from kith.com. And to make an estimated resale prediction, we're going to take a look at all the current high bids at the moment. And just give me 1 second to kind of go through these numbers here. Now, as you can see, the people that are willing to pay more for this sneaker are the people that wear a size 8 through a size 9.5. As you can see, 388 high bid, 380, 320, 386. Now, with that being said, sizes 4 through size 7.5, you should be able to get rid of that sneaker for around $250 US once these release to the public. Sizes 8 through 9.5 will by far be the most profitable. I do believe that you should be able to get rid of those sizes for around $300 US. Now, for sizes 10 through, let's just say 17, those should typically sell anywhere from around $225 to around $260. But by far the best sizes to go for in this collection are going to be your 8, your 8.5, your 9, and your 9.5 in that order. And I would expect you to be able to profit around, on average, $100 US after fees for this sneaker. Now don't forget, if you would like to win some free Rejuvenator products, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at JR Dunlap, which I will link that down below in the video description. And while you're down there, do not forget to comment, and then you are registered to win some free Rejuvenator product for the entire month of August. That's all the information that I have for this upcoming release from KITH. Best of luck, God bless, and have a great day.